Chanel Royal. Wait, I was about to say Chanel Royal hair. Run that back. Hey, my Chanel Royal Empire family. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back to another video. So today I have one client, and she'll be doing a frontal wig install. So with that being said, I think I want to do a tutorial for you guys. Right now I'm doing some editing, gotta get the content out there for y'all. This vlog I actually made in the summertime, and it was when I got my neck tattoo. So I'm finally touching it up, re-editing the vlog so that I could post it for y'all. I might post it today, I might not. Yo, y'all, let me tell y'all, I'm hungry. Like, my stomach is acting bad. I think it's something going around in New York because I was just told that my son is also sick. Like, he has diarrhea, his stomach is hurting, he's throwing up, da-da-da. And now my stomach is hurting and I just keep using the bathroom. But I'm just hoping that's because I'm hungry right now. Hopefully that's because I'm hungry, but yeah, so like I said, I'm doing some editing. I should have this vlog up for y'all, if not later. Well, today is Friday, December 9th. So I'm not sure when I'll be able to post this vlog that I'm currently making. But I know for sure that it'll be posted, if not this weekend, definitely Monday, like next week. One day next week, early next week. I'll definitely have it up by then, because I've been consistent, trying to stay consistent, because your girl's trying to be the next big thing. Listen, so your girl's about to be consistent. Like, y'all gonna know me, y'all gonna know who Chanel is. Okay, but yeah, y'all, so right now, like I told y'all, I'm just editing, touching up the vlog for you guys. My client is at 6 o'clock. Somebody actually was I was actually supposed to be at work already, but shorty canceled. Like, yeah, my stomach is acting real bad right now, so I'm about to go eat some food for real. Yes, y'all, also want to tell y'all, tomorrow is my baby boy's birthday, and I need to do my hair because your girl can't. Lately I've been looking crazy, y'all. Honestly, I really have not been caring about how my hair looks and how I look, like, which that has to stop, because if you know me, my lashes, my hair, my nails, my feet, like, everything is always done. Like, honestly, my lashes, I decided to give a break because I honestly want to have lashes even when I'm not wearing lashes. Like, I don't want to just be so used to having lashes on my face that I just become so immune to seeing myself with lashes. Like, I want to still look how I look without lashes. Like, I want to still look like natural Chanel, you feel me? So yeah, I do that. I take little breaks with my lashes, so that's nothing new. But as far as me being lazy with doing my hair, that's never been me. So fix that, Chanel. Fix that. Yeah. Honestly, guys, it's a good thing I had some pizza. I had got like a box of pizza yesterday, because your girl been eating. So I had got a box of pizza yesterday, which I have like 2 slices left over. So that's what I'm about to eat, because I'm not about to waste food. With all due respect, I'm really not about to waste food. So I'm about to heat my pizza up. Let's see what outside is looking like, or what is it feeling like outside. Cold. Yeah, it's cold, guys. This evening is cold. Yeah. This weather is not for me. Yo, I'm so cold. But this is the outfit for today. When you're working, you always gotta be cute but comfy. So I just have ankle socks. Not ankle socks. These are actually high socks, which I folded them. And then I got my bubble slippers. I think they have the ones that look like Crocs. I want to get that one. But yeah. Whew, I'm cold. I just went outside and it just made me really cold. It's so cold. Now, actually, I'm going to get me some food.
the yard and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I can teach you, but I have to charge. My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard and they're like, it's better than yours. Damn right, it's better than yours. I can teach you, but I have to charge. You want the thing that makes me put the guys go crazy. They lose their minds to where you want.
Damn, I forgot what I said I wanted to do. Oh, yeah. I remember now. Bro, I'm too freaking silly. It's the body yaddy yaddy.
Watch if you're smart.
There, y'all just cut my song. Like, what? Now I gotta start it over, cause what? Rude. Alrighty, y'all. So it is like 5:30, I believe. So I'm now heading out to head to work to do nighttime hair. Yeah, my stomach is on fire. Like, my stomach hurts so bad. I think I told you guys earlier that I woke up with really bad stomach ache. So yeah, my stomach is moving rocky right now. And my camera lost focus. It is so cold in here right now. It is like 0 degrees. To me at least. Yeah, so this is the wig and I'm about to do it down. She's doing a middle part bob. Hey guys.
Put your face in it?
Hmm?
Put your face in it?
Nah, it don't matter. It's really for the hair. So. So yeah, y'all, I'm just tying her down now. It's Thanksgiving. She doubted herself. Let me just sit her under the dryer for 20 minutes, maybe less. So she's gonna be under there for about 15 minutes. And it's on warm, medium warm. Alright y'all, so now I'm just gonna go in with some silk serum to This is why I don't vlog around people, because when I vlog around people, I get shy and I get nervous. But
Take 6.
yeah, but I'm about to silk press her hair, so I'm about to use this. What is it? A hair serum with keratin and argan oil from Morocco. I think I said that right. But this is what I'm gonna use. I'm about to blow dry it first, and then I'm gonna go in with my flat iron.
No limit, got that masterpiece. No limit, baby. You get that black card. No limit. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me, there's no limit, baby. No limit. I see murder that. No limit, baby. You that ghetto D girl. No limit. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me, there's no limit, baby.
So I'm not going in with my Kendrick boutique hot comb just to straighten up the top, make sure it's nice and flat. And you have to use a wax stick for it to give you the best result. And I like to use any one of these. Any one of these. And can you see how flat that is? Yeah. That's how y'all wigs should be looking. Some of y'all wigs be looking real crazy.
Cars on decline, baby, the cars on decline. You roll with me and we shine, baby, we shine. Hey, little mama, we shine. Just pick a destination. Go ahead, show me you can get like everything. Show me like any car, any house, baby, you can get like any ring, anything.
So now I'm just gonna go in my baby bliss, the iron, straighten the hair. And I like to part it off in 2 sections. I just like to do that. So I can catch every detail to it. Using a tail comb as you straighten the hair, I don't know, it just makes it look way better to me. So I use the tail comb while straightening the hair.
Where'd you find?
Okay, y'all, and follow my business Instagram page at endless_lens on Instagram, and shop with me for your nice wigs. Yeah.
And I'm gonna drop it right here, y'all. Also, what's your regular Instagram? You don't want the people to follow you?
Tia.NWL2.
Yeah, and I'm gonna drop it right below. Okay, y'all, like, get into it.
What lace? Yeah.
So now I'm just about to clip up her baby hairs, and we're about to do her baby hairs. And when we done, I'm gonna come back and show y'all. I'm feeling this color on her. It's giving. Yes.
B.O.B. so they calling me Bob.
Bob, Bob, Bob. Nah, bro.
I was like, wait till the night.
Wait, let me start again. Alright, so yeah, guys. So this is after clipping up the baby hairs to do them, and then obviously I'm gonna go in with my small flat iron to curl it, and then I'm gonna just, you know, swoop them in. But obviously I'm gonna do that so that y'all can see. And I like to curl it upward because it just works better for me. Some people curl underneath, but I like to curl on top. Then I go in with my Got To Be gel, and what I do is I just use it to slick down the beginning of her edges, well, of the edges, like that, just so it lays flat. Just use the edge brush to comb it out, make it nice and smooth and flat.
Now we're gonna go with the mousse.
So now we're gonna yeah, why is she mocking me? So now I'm about to go in with some mousse because I like to use mousse because it just makes my job easier. So I lay it flat with the Got To Be, and this is what it looks like. Flat, of course, and then I just swoop it with the mousse.
Hey.
There we go. It was moving like it ain't want to come out. Alright, so yeah, just bring it like that. Do it like that. Y'all see how easy that was? Obviously the hair is pink, so once it dries, that's when you're gonna really see the baby hairs. That's that. And honestly, y'all, practice makes perfect because I myself struggled with doing baby hairs, and I didn't stop until I figured out a technique that works for me. So I stuck with it, and now look at me. Slaying them baby hairs. I still feel like it could be better, but I feel like, you know, it's good enough for me right now and my clients. So now I'm just going in to touch up the edges with my hot comb. Make sure it's nice and flat. Tell the people where you going tomorrow.
So tomorrow I'm going to a concert in Queens.
Yeah. Whose
Yeah.
concert is it?
Mavada and Alkaline.
You Jamaican, you know.
You know,
You know.
gotta pop out.
Yeah.
It's only right.
Yeah, I would have went if it wasn't my son's birthday. Like I already told y'all earlier, tomorrow's my son's birthday, so tomorrow is Tai Tai's day.
Yeah. She's a mom first, so you know.
Yes. I'm not even gonna lie, y'all. This install is giving right now. This color, as y'all already know, pink is my favorite color. So, like, pink lifestyle, everything. Like,
Everything.
This is giving. Like, look at the part. And it's not even straightened up yet. Like, make sure y'all book me. This is actually a reinstallation on someone else's work. So,
I better book her.
yes. You know, you got the silk press. Let me show y'all the back. Get them a little shake. Yes. Right now I'm about to take off the foam wrap. Actually, I'm gonna just do it on camera. So I'm about to just I'm gonna clean up the part before taking this off, so the edges could sit a little longer. And I'm gonna go in with the Ruby Kiss in the shade RDF 15, and I'm gonna use this side to clean up her part. This side. Oh yeah, you know what I saw that I want to get? I didn't even know I did not know they had sprays. So you know how you have like these to clean up like the parts and stuff, but this is black. I didn't know they have like the actual sprays for colored hair. I didn't know that. So yeah, I want to get those. They definitely will come in handy. And just like that, look at that part. Stop playing, y'all. Like, stop playing. Like, stop playing. But so now I'm just gonna brush it out a little bit so that the baby hairs could show. It's showing a little bit. I mean, yeah, I know blonde hair, well colored, depending on the color, it's usually hard to show, but now I'm just gonna touch up around the edges with both the shades. Yeah, so now I'm just gonna clean up around the edges with some alcohol, and I'm gonna use my little cotton ball. So I'm gonna clean up around the hairline and clean all the dirt slash makeup off her forehead.
And I never been embraced, and the money's hard to make, so I bet they on their face right now. When he tell the story, that's not I went. Know they be lying 100%. Moved out the wrist and forgot about the bit. Why they just call me to tell me come get it? Got that boy off and I don't want to credit. If it was me, they wouldn't regret it. Let me regret it, now they want that.
Alright y'all, so I'm now done, and as you can see, she's feeling herself. She's back there taking videos and stuff. Wait, come here real quick. Give them a 360. Yes, yes, yes.
Get into it.
Yes. Stop playing. Make sure y'all book me. And the name is right here, Chanel Royal Hair. Get into Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so that you'll be notified each time that I drop a new video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.